Hey class, I thought we had one more week, but it turns out this is actually our final week. So what I'm going to do for this one is, I want you to just try the worksheet, and as long as you complete it, and it's obvious you've tried a little bit, I'm going to give you 100%, okay? If you just write random numbers and send it to me, it'll be obvious you haven't tried, but as long as you give it a little bit of effort, I'm willing to give you 100% for this one. So it's something that you'll use quite a lot next year, so it's good that you learn this now if you can. Now, the last couple of weeks we've been expanding and multiplying out brackets. This week we're going to put them back in. So, as a quick recap, this is how you expand, right? X plus 4, x plus 3. Essentially, you distribute the first thing, the x, onto the other bracket. So, x times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. And then you distribute the second thing, the 4, onto the other bracket. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 3 is 12. And then you can just clean it up by putting these two together. If I collect those, I'll have x squared plus 7x plus 12. And that will be my answer. So we're going to work it backwards. What if they just gave you this, like they have in question 1, and you had to put it into the brackets here? So there's a trick that works for this. What you have to do basically is you look at the last number. So you look at the last number, in this case being 12, and think of the factors of that. 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 4 is 12. So these will multiply for 12. And then you've got to think, which two of these, if I added them, would give me the middle number? 7. 1 plus 12 is 13. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. This is the correct pair. So that trick shows me that the numbers going in the bracket are a positive 3 and a positive 4. If I was to multiply out this bracket, like we've been doing the last couple lessons, this would be my answer. So we're working it backwards, this lesson, and we're doing it using this little trick here. Let's do another one. So this is number 2 from your worksheet, x squared plus 8x plus 15. We're looking at the last number, the 15. The numbers that multiply the factors are 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. So which pair of these, when I add them, give me the middle number of 8? Well, it's 3 and 5, isn't it? 3 plus 5 is 8. So that's the two numbers I put in my bracket. X plus 3, x plus 5. And it doesn't matter which way. You could put the 5 first or the 3 first. It doesn't matter, okay? So that's question 2. Let's do 2 more and see if you get the hang of it, okay? So on your worksheet, question 3 is x squared plus 4x plus 3. So we're doing the trick. Look at the last number. What multiplies for the last number 3? Just 1 and 3. Do they add for 4, the middle number? Yes. So those are the two numbers. If I factor this, work it backwards, x plus 1, x plus 3. You can check it if you want. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. It's got to multiply for this and add for this. Let's do one more and then you can try the rest. Question 4 for you guys is x squared plus 5x plus 4. So we need two numbers that multiply for 4, and when you add them you get 5. Let's look at the factors of 4. 1 and 4, 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, but I need 5 for when they add. 1 plus 4 is 5. It's these ones. Okay? So the numbers I put in the bracket after the plus is x plus 1, x plus 4. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 plus 4 is 5, yeah, that's it. If you wanted to check it to be extra sure, you could multiply out this bracket, and if it gave you that, you'd know you've got it right. Some people find this pretty quick and easy to do. Some people struggle with it a little bit at first. You will get good at these though. If not now, you'll get good at these next year. If you still don't understand what's going on from how I've explained it, maybe look up on YouTube or just on Google somewhere, someone else explaining it. Maybe if it's explained to you in a different way, you might understand it better. But like I said, as long as you just try these and do the last 6 questions, I'm giving you 100%. Your attendance word can be done. Because we're done with the year. D-O-N-E, done. I'm really happy with how this went. I've got really good work from basically everyone. So, thanks for what you've done, and I'll see you guys next year.